Hi everyone, and welcome to Sistema Solution Business Central webinar. This is Rochelle Gatos again, and today I'm going to show you how to notify users of high-risk change in selected setup fields. Before we begin, just a quick reminder that all our on-demand webinars are available on our YouTube channel, and we're adding more and more content on our website as well. So feel free to visit our online channels for more information about Sistema Solutions and Dynamics Business Central. In the previous demo, I showed you some Wave 1 and Wave 2 Business Central functionalities. For this series, let's focus on the remaining Wave 2 application enhancement. With this function, we can now define a list of fields that contain high risk and business critical that we want to be notified when the fields are changed. Example, these are like bank account numbers, customer name, vendor account number, chart of account name, and so on. Before identifying which tables and fields you need to set up, you will need to start with the Field Monitoring Assisted Setup Guide. This is an easy setup available in Business Central to start the process. Once this setup is completed, you will need to specify the email address of the admin or super user or user that you want to notify from all the changes that have been made. An email notification like this will be received by admin user, super user, or the user that is identified in the notification setup. Just like this, you will see the notification changes and other details. From here, you will see from this notification, from the old value to the new name, you will see who changed and when has been changed. We will review this further in our actual demo, so let's begin. For demo purposes, I'm using the Kronos Canada demo database. I also added the pages in my role center field monitoring setup. This is the one that I showed you in my previous slide. This is where you can set up your notification recipient. In my case, I put my name as the person who will receive the notification for demo purposes. Under Monitor Fields page, this is the list of the table number, table caption, field number, and field caption. This is where you will select which field that you want to set up to send you notification every time that the user changes a certain field. In this example, I'll show you which one I selected. I believe I selected table, caption, customer. There you go. So under here, I have a customer and I click notify. Yes, I check that field that every time that the user changed the customer name, my user admin, super user, or anyone that is set up in the notification email will receive an email that the user changed the customer name field. So let's get started and check that. Open customer. Select your customer that you want to change for testing purposes. For example, customer name, notification. There you go. As I change this, I am expecting that my admin will receive an email that I changed this particular field or customer name field. And I just received that. Let me just double check that and show it to you. Here you go. As you can see, the notification is coming from the Business Central Extended Security Monitor Change notification. This informs me that the original name of this value is coming from this customer name and the new customer name has been changed to this particular name, changed by Rochelle, that's the user, and the change date and time. So now, for your company who wants to monitor a specific fields and tables or any sensitive fields that you want your company to monitor, those fields, you can use this function in Business Central. The next one that I'll show you is how to add fields in the monitor field page when the table and the field is not available. So this is applicable, for example, in your customized page and field. So let's filter it here. I am just using a filtered function here just for me to identify the specific page or table that I want to see. I filter table, item, so all I can see now is anything about the item. So I want to add, for example, item tracking code. Item tracking code is under the field caption. I will just say item asterisk for me to see the filtered field caption with item field name. So you will see here, there's no item tracking code. So I will add that. So from here, I have selected table number 27, which is item, and field number 6500, which is the item tracking code. So now, I'm telling Business Central that every time there's changes in item tracking code, the super admin, super user will be notified that if the user changed the item tracking code of the item card, they will receive an email. So with this restriction, we identify that one of the particular and critical fields in this company is the item card and with the item tracking code. So I hope you learned something today, and that's how easy it is. So we're able to add fields that is critical in our business process to be monitored and send it back any notification changes to your super user, admin, or the person identified in the notification email setup. Awesome! Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks and how-to videos on Dynamics Business Central. Until next time, bye!